48 traffic alert. Railroad company Norfolk Southern kicking off several weeks worth of railroad crossing repairs right here in Madison County. This is a map of the areas that are going to be impacted. These include Moores Mill Road between Highway 72 and Stanwood Boulevard. Oakwood Avenue between Meridian Street will also be impacted. Each repair will temporarily stop traffic in that area, but road closures are not expected to last longer than a day per location. Detours will also be set up in these areas while crews are at work.